Hello, today I came to see the papaya tree. The papaya trees are almost dead. It has yielded very well in the past. The papaya were very large in size, but now the trees are too small and dying papaya trees are planted along the paddy field. Hopefully the rich yield of this land will be very good. I planted 5 more papaya saplings next to the paddy fields. Papaya is a very tasty and healthy curry as a food. Papaya is a very good for liver. Ripe papaya is very tasty as a food. Papaya can be marketed very easily. As the demand for papaya is high, the price of papaya is very good. Farmers will hopefully benefit from cultivation.